Welcome, dear students. Now we will find out lowest common multiple or LCM just in 10 seconds. At first, we will show you two traditional ways to find out LCM. At first method is here by dividing. Suppose we will find out the LCM of 64 and 16. At first we divide both. Here we will divide both number by 2 and we will get 32 and 8. And 32 and 8 is also divisible by 2. So we will divide by 2. We will get 16 and 4. Here 16 and 4 is also divisible by 2. So we will divide by 2 and we will get 8 and 2. And both 8 and 2 is divisible by 2. So we will divide again by 2 and we will get 4 and 1. And here 1 is not divisible. So we will multiply all the 2's here and 4. So our required LCM or lowest common multiple will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 4. And if we multiply all these, we will get 64. And here 64 is our LCM. This is our traditional method. And this method is also an exact or accurate method. Now we will show you another traditional method. Here, at first we will find out the multiples of 64. We will write down here some multiple of 64. And here 64 and double will be 128 and triple will be or 3 times will be 192 and 4 times of 64 will be 256. And again we will find out some multiples of 16. And here it will be 16 and 2 times or double will be 32, triple will be 48 and 4 times will be 64. And we have got common 64 and 64 here. So we have got our LCM and here LCM is 64. This is our second traditional method of finding out LCM. Now we will show you third or alternative method to find out LCM. And this alternative method is very easy or easier than others. At first we will target the greater one. Here 64 and 16 between the both, here greater one is 64, greater number is 64. So we will make this 64 as our LCM because 64 is divisible by 16. If divisible, this is our LCM. So this way or alternative way is very easier than the others. At first, now we will show you some rules of this alternative way. At first, we will find out the greatest number among the given number, and then we will divide this greatest number by the smaller ones. And at the third level, if it or if the greater number is undividable, or it is not possible to divide by the greater one, we will multiply the greater one by 2 or 3 or 4 gradually until it is divisible. Now we will show you some examples of LCM. Here LCM of 2 and 5, and here 5 is greater, so we will try to divide 5 by 2. It is not divisible, so we will make this 5 double, or we will multiply 5 by 2, and it will be 10, and 10 is divisible by 2, so 10 is our LCM. Here 3 and 6 is greater, and 6 is divisible by 3, so 6 is LCM. And here 4 and 10 is greater, and 10 is not divisible by 4, so we will make 10 double, and it will be 20, and 20 is divisible by 4, so 20 is LCM. Here 3 and 5, here greater is 5, but 5 is not divisible by 3, so we will make 5 double, it will be 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3, so we will make 5 3 times, it will be 15, and 15 is divisible by 3, so our LCM is 15. Here 7 and 14, and 14 is divisible by 7, so our LCM is 14. 9 and 3, here greater one is 9, and 9 is also divisible by 3, so 9 is LCM. Here 2 and 8, and 8 is also divisible by 2, so 8 is LCM. Here 5 and 15, greater one is 15, and 15 is also divisible by 5, so our LCM is here 15. Next 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 4, these are 3 digits, no matter, it's also very easier. What is the greater one? Here greater one is 4, and 4 is also divisible by 2, divisible by 1, so 4 is here LCM. 9, 3 and 6, greater one is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6, so we will make double, it will be 18, and 18 is divisible by 3 and divisible by 6, so 18 is here LCM. LCM of 5, 1 and 15, what is greater one here? 15, and 15 is divisible by 1 and also divisible by 5, so our LCM is 15. Similarly here 5, 10, 15 and 5, and here greater is 15, but 15 is not divisible by 10, it is divisible by 5, so we will make 15 double, and it will be 30, and 30 is also divisible by 10, divisible by 15 and divisible by 5, so here LCM is 30. Here 70 and 14, and greater one is 70, and 70 is also divisible by 14, or 5 14s are 70, so here 70 is LCM. 90 and 30, here greater one is 90, and 90 is also divisible by 30, so our LCM is 90. Here 20 and 25, and greater number is 25, but it is not divisible by 20, make it double. 50, 50 is not divisible by 20, make it triple. 75, and 75 is not divisible by 20, make it 4 times, that means 100, and 100 is here divisible, so 100 is LCM. Similarly, if we want to find out the LCM of 500 and 250, and greater one is here 500, and 500 is also divisible by 250, so here LCM is 500. Like this, we can find out any LCM of easy numbers or unknown numbers or smaller numbers orally in this alternative method.